Be yourself. Be yourself. If you're going on your first date, the key here is to be yourself. Don't try to be someone you're not. Don't try to bring your representative. And what I mean by that is don't try to bring someone that you're not just to impress them, because down the road they're gonna see, if you were being truthful or not. So just be yourself, if you're going on your first date. That's the biggest tip. Another tip is make sure if you're going on your first date, you do something that's not challenging, as in something that's not too tedious, okay? The first date is really important to get to know each other. So the most important thing in the first date is conversation. So you need to be in a place where you can have good conversation, all right? Or doing an activity where you can have conversation. You can do an activity too, that's fine. As long as you two can have a conversation while you're doing it and not be hampered, all right? So those are some tips for your first date. Dress well, and be comfortable. Do not wear heels, okay? And you should be fine.